Need to switch carriers and take your Red Pocket number with you? You'll need a transfer PIN, also known as a port-out PIN. It's a security code that Red Pocket requires to authorize the release of your phone number, preventing unauthorized transfers and protecting against SIM swapping scams. Think of it as a digital key to unlock your number for your new carrier. This PIN is usually 4 to 10 characters and is valid for 30 days. Getting this PIN quickly and securely is key to a smooth transition. Red Pocket offers multiple methods to obtain your transfer PIN. The fastest is through the Red Pocket mobile app, available on iOS and Android. Log in, navigate to the account section, then port out number, select your line, and request the PIN. If you prefer using a computer, access redpocket.com, sign in, and use the online chat tool. Alternatively, you can call customer support at 1-888-993-5188, but expect longer wait times. To speed up the process, ensure your account is active and you have your account details ready, such as your phone number, last 4 digits of your SSN, or billing address. Red Pocket also uses two-factor authentication for PIN requests as of 2024, so make sure you have access to your email or phone.